Hey little ones, welcome to the class. Today let's study EVS. We are going to start our second chapter, The Plant Fairy. Children, you might have heard about plants, isn't it? Do you know what is fairy? Yes, angel. Now let's see how is a plant related to fairy. It is a game. Related to it, we will read a story. Last Sunday, we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We played hide and seek and Andakshari. Here it is said that last Sunday they went to a garden in a neighborhood and they played hide and seek. You all know hide and seek, isn't it? And Andakshari. We had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today." While the children were playing, Didi said that they can play a new game and she explained that she had played it in a camp last year. Camp means place where different students comes and be together and lives in tents. And she explains the game. She said, "I will become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something and you all will have to touch it." She said, the plant fairy will say name of something and you all have to go and touch it. The game began. Didi said, the plant fairy asks you to touch a plant. At once, all the children ran towards the plants. Look, Ammu held the marigold plant. Shabnam sat touching a jasmine plant. Michael touched a mehendi bush. Dayaram caught hold of a neem tree and stood there. As you can see in the picture, everyone is touching plants, isn't it? Different kids touch different plants. Marigold is having orange flower, but jasmine is having white flower. Plants are of different types. Some are big and some are small, isn't it? Now, Didi said, very good, everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other? Didi, you are also sitting on little plants, said Shabnam. Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting? Yes, Didi is sitting on grass. Grass also is a plant. The game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. Children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Do you know what is a trunk? You can see some children are holding thick trunk and one boy is holding a thin trunk of tree. By the time Michael found the game very interesting, he thought how lucky the fairy was. He could order everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy. While playing, Michael said that he wanted to become the plant fairy. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy? They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. Then they were ready to play with new plant fairy. Michael said, "Get me some leaves quickly." The new plant fairy ordered to get some leaves. At that time, Didi told, you are not allowed to pluck leaves from the plants. Then children ran to collect leaves which were lying on the ground. Children came up with many leaves. Do all the leaves have similar color, shapes and margin? No. Dayaram said, I did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long and some are triangular. Ammu said, there are so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches on it. Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Some has straight margins and some uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw, said Shabnam. Do you know what is margin? Margin means edges of these leaves. Ammu and Shabnam shouted together, "We also want to be the plant fairy." Didi said, "Not today, maybe next Sunday. It's time to go home now." On the way back, Didi recited a poem for everyone. Now look here, you can collect some leaves and make pictures of animals like this. Using dry leaves, you can make pictures of different animals in your notebook. Do you know what are plants? Plants are living things that make their own food. Here you can see different types of plants. Some plants bear fruits, some plants bear flowers, some bear vegetables. Now let's see parts of a plant and parts of a tree. Now can you say different parts of a plant? Yes, flower, fruit, leaf, stem, root, etc. Now let's see the parts of a tree. Trunk, roots, branches, fruit, flower, twig, leaves, etc. By this time we have studied that there are different types of plants also. First one, trees. Trees are big, tall and strong plants with thick, brown and woody stem called trunk. Some of the examples for trees are mango tree, jackfruit tree, banyan tree, etc. Banyan tree is a national tree of India. Next type of plant is shrubs. Shrubs are plants having a bushy appearance. They have a thin brown stem. For example, hibiscus, henna, etc. The next type of plant is herbs. Herbs are smaller than bushes. They have a thin green stem. Examples: marigold, tulsi, grass, paddy, etc. Next one is climbers. Climbers are plants with very weak stem. They need support to stand erect. Climbers climb up on something else. Example: passion fruit, pepper, money plant, etc. Next one is creeper. Creepers are also plants with very weak stem. They creep on ground. Creep on ground means spreading all over the ground. Examples for creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Now let's continue with our textual exercise. Look here. Look at the picture and name the things which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. Here you can see a picture. Can you say where you can see patterns of leaves? You can see patterns of leaves on the wall hanging, pattern of flower on the wall hanging, likewise on cushion cover, and also sheet spread on the sofa. You can see leaf print, and also on the carpet you can see leaf pattern. Like this, in your home also you can see some objects which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them. Can you write their names here? You can see patterns of leaves and flowers on curtain, bed sheet, carpet, table cover, etc. Next one, you must have seen many plants and trees. How many of them can you name? Write their names. Have you seen plants and trees, children? We'll write names of some plants and trees. Mango tree, jackfruit tree, rose, jasmine, sunflower, guava tree, hibiscus, marigold, etc. Are there any plants that you have heard of but never seen? Which ones? Have you seen an apple tree? No. You can write the apple tree, grapevine, date palm, strawberry, cauliflower, saffron, plum tree, blueberry tree, etc. Children, let's stop here. That's all for today's class. Be good, do good. Thank you.